This is how you take off the inside door panel of a Taurus that looks like this. I think it's 2010 through 17. Anyway, if it looks like this, the tools you're gonna need a Phillips head, a 7mm, a 10mm, a right angle pick, and a pry tool. So you can double this as the pry tool as well. But first step, you gotta take off this inside panel right here. You stick it in like this, just pull it. Pull this little plastic panel that's inside here. Yeah. It's like a little edge. Pull that, it comes out. You're gonna use the pry tool and pull off this piece right here. You can start here, and there's little clips all along this. Just grab your pry tool and pry right there. Gently go down, pull it off. You got some bolts in here. These are 8mm. Take those both out. Take out this 10mm. Take this trim piece off. Grab it from this side. Try not to mar the surface. Just kind of gently pop it up. 10mm bolt right there. And then you got two 7mm bolts under here. There's one here and one over here. You're gonna want to disconnect this connector right here. A magnet may also come and help. Handy to get these bolts out like that. You're gonna want to remove this piece. You can just grab it like this and kind of yank on it. Take off this Phillips. I'm gonna pull this piece off and then lift up to clear the lock, and then undo that cable and this connector. This cable, you squeeze those two tabs together on that yellow thing, and then it goes out the hole, and then you can move the cable out of the holding mechanism for the latch, and then the cable will be free. Then a look at this when it's all off. This gives you access to your speakers, to your window regulator that's inside of here, the window track system, any of the connectors, connector for the mirror, wiring for the mirror and the door and the crash sensor and the motor wiring and the latch and the window. So this repair can help with any of that stuff that you need to get access to.